Hello everybody, this is Earth vs Mankind YouTube channel. I hope you're all having a good day. Saudi Arabia continues to suffer from extreme weather. The intense heat of recent days has been replaced by thunderstorms and hailstorms. In some cases, the temperatures dropped by more than 20 degrees per day. A storm of hailstorms hit the mountainous areas of the coast of the Red Sea. The area was hit last week. Hailstones covered the ground in a thick layer. Rivers of ice flowed along some streets. For most people, thinking about the Saudi Arabian desert probably conjures up images of sand dunes baked or relentless sunshine. More recently, however, those sands have been covered in snow. Several recent snow and hailstorms in the region have transformed the landscape in and around Saudi Arabia, stirring excitement among locals and causing a sensation on social media.
صاحب البيت قلت بصور حوشك صراحة أول مرة في حياتي أشوف المنظر هذا كله. صاحب البيت يقول عمري 60 سنة.
A rare phenomenon occurred in the Middle Eastern country which is characteristically known for its desert landscape and pleasant temperatures. A short bout of snowstorms turned the crimson desert into a white fairyland. The Tabuk region along the coast of the Red Sea in the northwest part of Saudi Arabia was swathed in snow as the mercury level suddenly dipped to a freezing -2 degrees Celsius. The frosty weather is not entirely unusual. However, snowfall in Saudi Arabia is an uncommon occurrence. The accumulation of snow was heavier and thicker in higher elevations. Traditionally, during the winter season in Saudi Arabia, the average temperature hovers around 20 degrees. At the end of this video, thanks for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a nice day.